Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE to LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. You need to begin by finding your calendar and clicking on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It, and tap on the month above. After that, you need to pick a date by tapping on the best one for you and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now customize your event however you want to. For example, add a title to it. Now you can pick starting hour or ending one. If you wish to, you can also disable this feature completely by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Then select Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. For example, if you don't want to, you need to click on the same option and tap on Does Not Repeat. After that, you can also add people, set up location over here by clicking on Add Location, choosing while using the app or only this time, type in an address and clicking on the correct one. Now set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event and take notes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then tap on Save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner instead, choose Delete, and finally confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!